Well, guys, we're at the Dodge dealer. My mom had to bring her car here to get the airbag fixed. But yeah, we got the mopars. We even got some rims here. I'm gonna walk into the parts shop real quick, see what they have, then we'll get to the mopars.
Complex is the opposite.
Dart, Sebring, Aviator. I don't see no Charger ones. Nope, no Charger ones.
Nope, I think we're good. So far, I think. Alex Bailey K.
Russian is my third.
And your second?
English, and my first is Moldovan, which Moldovan. I thought there's candy. Alright, guys.
Hi there. Hi, pick it up.
Wheel and Sales, you have a call, waiting line 1. Wheel and Sales, line 1.
Well, let's get on to the mopars, people. Oh, they got shirts here.
Ninja.
Hey! What's up? Different? How you doing, sir?
Pretty good.
Good.
We got the red eye right here. Woo! Check that out. I think it's the red eye. Man, oh man, look at that. I think it is the red eye. Let's see. SRT. Scat Pack. SRT, baby. Oh, look at this. Man, that is bad to the bone. Hemi. Woo, doggy. Is that nice? Paddle shifters too. Oh wow. I love that cold air intake right there. I want to get one for my car. That might be the red eye. Let's see.
Yes.
Yep, red eye. How much is it? Base price. Base price $58,650. Total price $90,000. Phew, man. That's crazy. $90,000, guys, for a red eye. I'm loving this RT right here. No. I just bring my mom in because she had to get her airbag fixed. Yeah, I drive a 2018 Charger, so. Got it not that long ago. Those are nice rims right there. I guess that's a red eye too. This one here. Scat Pack Plus. 48,000. Man, that'd be badass tone. Does it got cold air intake? No. But it's still nice. Powered by SRT. Hellcat. Man, oh man. $70,000. 70,000. Anyways, I am out, guys. Gotta go home now. Got a Camaro pulling out. Got some more mopars. That is a Challenger RT Scat Pack. This one here is a Scat Pack too, I think. Let's see. Yep, Scat Pack. This one here is 47. Not bad. Then we got this here. I think it's a Hellcat. I can tell by the wheels. Yep, Hellcat. 71,000. Look at this thing. I think they got it lowered. It's not for sale though. That's pretty mean looking.
Yeah, wish I owned it.
Yeah, me too. Another SRT Hellcat. Another Challenger. Oh wow, look at this Charger. Look at these rims, guys. Oh my god, look at that spoiler. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that spoiler, guys.
I will do it.
Look at those rims.
This? The gray one? Which one?
The one that he's driving. I'm the one that he's driving. I'm that one too. See that?
And this one here is mine.
Driving. I'll send for that one.
She's still looking clean.
I'll give you the, how about this? I'll give you the key as soon as we're done.
Yeah, just park it right there for me.
Let's remote start this bitch, huh?
Thank you.
So you can accidentally buy the truck.
There we go. Anyways, that's it, guys. Gonna go home, go to 99-cent store, and get a case for my phone, because I can't find the other one I had that I bought. But man, that's a badass charger. Look at that wing, y'all. Mine'll be like that someday. Woo, got that white dash shit. Man, oh man. Nice, nice, nice. Rims ain't too bad looking. Storm. Look at that wing though. That wing is so sick. Oh my god. Oh, they just put that on it, see? They put it on the regular. What is it? Is it a Hellcat or what? He ain't got no badges on it. I don't know, but hopefully mine will look like this someday. Yeah, it's got to be a Hellcat, because that's that front end, and that's my front end. So, yeah, it's got to be a Hellcat or a Scat Pack. Anyways, y'all, that's it. I'm gonna end this live video. I'll probably try and post it on YouTube also, for all my YouTube followers. Here's mine. Good thing about mine is I got like the carbon fiber kind of, see, to where the other Chargers and Challengers don't. To where the other Chargers and Challengers don't got that, see. But yeah, guys, that's it. I am out. Thanks thanks everyone for watching, and have a nice day. Peace.